Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to play YouTube in the background. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. To play YouTube in the background, you won't be using the YouTube app. Instead, you will use a browser. Brave works perfectly. Once open your browser and type youtube.com. Then hit enter. It should load myoutube.com, the mobile version of the site. Next, search for the video you want to play. This could be a music video or any other video. For example, tap on a video and mute it if you want. Now, if you minimize the tab, you will notice that the video stops playing. To fix this, go back to your browser, tap on the three-dot menu and select desktop site. Wait for it to load the desktop version of YouTube. Once it is loaded, you can minimize the browser again, and this time the video will continue playing in the background. Simply tap play if it is paused and enjoy your music or video while using other apps. And that's it. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching.